Hello guys, so today we'll find intersection but without using Python's inbuilt function. So as always we have our input and we have to find the output. So today our input is nothing but a list of elements and we have to find some output from it. So before we start writing the code, let's first try to understand the logic which we are going to implement over here. So we will use a split function to split the strings into list, and then we will use for loop to iterate over the first list, and we'll compare its element against the second list, and at the end we'll generate the output. So now let's start writing the code. So here you can see I have my find intersection function defined, and I'm calling the same function inside my print function, and here I'm passing my input list as an argument, and in my function I am reading the same list inside a input variable. So for starting off I'll define a empty list which will store my final output, so its name will be output, and then as discussed I will write a for loop. So for I in input 0 dot split and split by hyphen like this. Yeah, so it will be nothing but what I'm trying to do over here is input 0 means nothing but this value. Okay, so first element, so I'm converting this string into a list and then I'm iterating over it. So I'll say if I in again my input, and this time the second element, this one, and then I'll say dot split and split by nothing but hyphen. So if this condition holds true, it means the value of my first list is present in second list. Then I'll say output dot append and then that value. Yeah, so just for my understanding I'll try to print it so that I'll get to know whether I'm getting the output or not. So let's run it over here. Yeah, so I'm getting 3 and 7. So you can see here in my input list I had 3 7 in my first element, also in second element I had 3 7, so it is giving me correct answer, and second is giving none because I am not returning anything as of now. So once I'll return something, then it will not be none, it will be the return value. So for that let's try to return something here. So I'll say return output, but it will return me output like this, but I do not want it in this way. I want to convert it into a string which will have hyphen in between. So I'll say hyphen dot join and this. Let me run it again. So yeah, so now it is giving me the required output. So if you want to know more about split and join, then I have created a separate video on it, and I have explained in detail how how you can work easily with split and join. I have given some tricks as well, so do check that out. That's it for this video guys. If you like the content, then do hit the like button, and do subscribe to my channel to get more such content in future. Thank you.